This is part 2 of drinking water the wrong way. And yes, you're still doing it wrong. If you've been sipping in a rush, relying on soda, or proudly peeing clear, you're not helping your body, you're slowly destroying your health. And stick around, we're exposing the next 5 additional hydration habits that are still messing with your body. And in the end, we'll reveal a bonus secret your body never forgets, something we call water memory. 1. Only drinking water when you're thirsty. Let's start with the biggest myth. I'll drink when I'm thirsty. Sounds smart, right? Nope. Thirst is actually a delayed signal from your body. By the time you feel thirsty, you're already mildly dehydrated. This can lead to low energy, poor focus, headaches, and dry skin, all while you think you're fine. To avoid this, sip water consistently throughout the day, before meals, during breaks, and especially in hot weather or when moving a lot. Second, drinking water while standing or in a rush. When you drink standing up or too quickly, water rushes down with force. This can disrupt the balance of digestive fluids and enzymes in your stomach, making digestion less effective. This will lead to gas, bloating, and in some cases, acid reflux. This can also stress your kidneys, leading to less efficient filtering and detoxification. To avoid this, sit down, take a few slow sips, let your body receive it. Third, ignoring electrolyte balance. Water isn't just H2O. Your body also needs electrolytes, sodium, potassium, magnesium, especially if you're sweating or working out. Overhydration with plain water can flush out these vital minerals, which leads to cramping, dizziness, even heart rhythm issues in severe cases. To avoid this, add a pinch of sea salt, a slice of lemon, or try coconut water or a natural electrolyte drink after heavy sweating. Fourth, relying on coffee, soda, or juice for hydration. This one's sneaky. You feel like you're hydrating, but caffeine and sugar are diuretics and inflammatory. You actually lose more water and stress your kidneys. To avoid this, water should still be your main source of hydration. Think of water as the hero. Everything else is just a sidekick or a villain. 5. Misjudging clear urine as a goal. Ever been proud of crystal clear pee? Hate to break it to you, but this is overhydration. It dilutes electrolytes, stresses the kidneys, and can even cause nausea. To avoid this, aim for light yellow like lemonade, not clear like vodka. And here's the bonus. What if your water could remember your intention? Water memory is the practice of linking thoughts and affirmations with each sip, turning hydration into healing and routine into ritual. Label your water, speak your goal, then sip slowly, letting your body absorb the intention with the hydration. Because what you say flows through you. If you learned something new today, give this video a like and share it with that friend who still drinks soda instead of water. Drink smarter, hydrate better, live fully. Always remember that beauty starts from within.